Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will be learning about writing for special purposes. So let's begin. An interesting career choice for graduates is that of a journalist. Here it is said that, and as we all know that for graduates, becoming a journalist is an interesting career option. It can be an excellent choice for students of all streams, including science and commerce. So a career in journalism is an excellent choice for students of all streams, which includes students of science, commerce streams also. Writing newspaper reports is a skill that can be mastered through carefully reading reports and writing them for your college magazines and other campus journals. Of course, writing newspaper reports requires talent, but this skill can be achieved. How? By carefully reading reports. And students can achieve this by writing reports for your college magazines and other campus journals. So you can practice this at your college level. A basic news report will follow the inverted pyramid pattern where the most important information is included in the first paragraph. So what is the pattern of a basic news report? It follows the inverted pyramid pattern. So what is the specialty of this inverted pyramid? The most important or relevant information is placed where? So the most relevant information is placed in the first paragraph in an inverted pyramid. Answers to the questions who, what, when, where, why and how should be given in the first paragraph. So what is stated or written in the first paragraph? It consists of answers to the questions who, what, when, where, why and how. Additional information can be added to the paragraphs that follow. So in the paragraphs, that is the first paragraph, the important information is given. And where is the additional information provided? The additional informations are provided in the paragraphs that follows the first paragraph. This helps the editor when she tries to trim the report according to the requirements of the magazine or the newspaper. The purpose of this inverted pyramid is that it helps the editor when she tries to trim the report, because the editor can cut off the unnecessary details and can provide only the required information of the magazine or the newspaper. Academic writing is also an important style of writing which has certain common characteristics. Now let us look into the characteristics of academic writing. There are 5 points are given in your textbook. The first one is a formal tone. So what about the tone of the academic writing? It is a formal tone. Second point is unbiased expressions. That is, fair and objective mode of writing is followed in academic writing. Third point is provides evidence through research. So in an academic writing, proper research is conducted and evidence is given on the basis of that. Next point is clarity with regards to structure. If we look into the structure of an academic writing, there is clarity, that is clearness in the structure. Fifth point is provides accurate information devoid of plagiarism. So another major characteristic of an academic writing is that it provides accurate, that is clear or precise information without plagiarism. So plagiarism, it is the practice of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them off as one's own. That is taking someone else's work without acknowledging their name and making it as one's own. So this is termed as plagiarism. So in an academic writing, there is no plagiarism. This is all for today. Thank you.